Yes, I'm 60 today. I'm now leaving the 50s behind. And I just want to say thank you for everybody that has made this day so special for me. It has been some time since I really had a proper birthday celebration. I want to thank Scott for the beautiful, fantastic present for our outing at Nayosi Game Reserve today. I only came back. I haven't read any of your birthday wishes yet. I will do that later on. Maybe I won't get through all of them. I do want to go and pay my flute lecturer a visit quickly, still. It was just a beautiful, lovely day. Thank you for the flowers. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the subscriptions and the views and the support on my YouTube channel. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so grateful, and you are all so appreciated.